Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best doubt solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic Introduction to Units and Dimensions. So, units and dimensions or units and measurement is a very important topic of physics because it is applicable in all other important domains. So, what is a physical quantity? Firstly, we should know the meaning of physical quantity. So, a physical quantity is a physical property of a material or system that can be quantified by measurement. So, a physical quantity is a physical property of a material or system that can be quantified by measurement. So, this Q is represented as the physical quantities. This can be written as N into U. Here, N is the numerical value of the physical quantity, and U is the unit of the physical quantity, So, for any physical quantity, Q is equals to N, U is equals to constant. So, we can say that N, which is the numerical value, it is inversely proportional to the unit. So, if we talk about the fundamental physical quantities and their units, then the fundamental physical quantity is an independent physical quantity that is not possible to express in other physical quantities. So, what is fundamental physical quantities? So, fundamental physical quantity is an independent physical quantity. So, this is an independent physical quantity that is not possible to express, in other physical quantities. So, if we talk about the fundamental physical quantities, so there are total 7 fundamental physical quantities. So, there are total 7 fundamental physical quantities, and these are also known as base quantities. So, if we talk about the base quantities, then it is length, mass, time, then we have current, then we have temperature, then luminous intensity, and amount of substance, These are fundamental physical quantities. Now, there are some quantities known as derived physical quantities. So, what are derived physical quantities? So, physical quantities that are derived from one or more physical quantities. So, physical quantities that are derived from one or more fundamental physical quantities. Are known as derived physical quantities. For example, velocity, force, charge. These are our derived physical quantities. Now, we have some quantities known as supplementary quantities. These are supplementary supplementary quantities. So supplementary quantities is basically the plane angle and the solid angle. So first is our plane angle. It is in 2D, and then we have our solid angle. It is in 3D. This is 3D. So if we talk about plane angle, then plane angle theta is equals to arc by radius, and it is measured in radians. This is measured in radians. And if we talk about solid angle, then solid angle is equals to area upon r square, and this is measured in steradian. So this is all about the introduction to units and measurement. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.